Hey friends, who's hungry? Easy homemade plum jelly is a great introduction into making homemade jam. This simple recipe has only a few ingredients and is big on flavor. Slice 5 pounds of fully ripe plums in half and remove and discard the pits. Don't bother peeling them. Place the plums in a large stock pot. Add 1½ cups of water, bring the pot to a boil, then cover and simmer over medium heat for 10 minutes. Strain the juice by pouring it through a colander to remove the solids. Then strain it a second time through a fine mesh strainer or line a colander with several layers of cheesecloth. Allow the fruit to drain for about 30 minutes. Discard the fruit. You should have about 5½ cups of plum juice left. Pour the juice back into the pot. Add 1.7 ounce box of pectin. Bring the juice to a hard rolling boil. Add 6½ cups of white sugar. Continue to boil the jelly for 1 minute. Remove the pot from the heat. Skim any foam from the top with a spoon. Ladle the jelly into clean jars, leaving 1/4 inch of space at the top and secure with lids. Store the jelly in the refrigerator for up to 3 months. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.